Hello everybody, I just want to let everybody know as I record my meals what I'm eating tonight, and let me just turn this around. There's the hostess with the mostest. There's Chef Flora, and what are you making there?
Just mini size bites for everyone to try tonight.
Okay.
Tortilla things.
Alright, looking good. And we have here, voila, a new dish there, spicy broccoli. Well, I've had that before. And there's some parsnip rice. And there's one of my favorites here. Those are tortilla, thank you. And there is some chips with taco meat and salsa. These are raw, all raw. Look at that, all raw. And then my favorite soup that I have all the time. And got sprouts, more sprouts, some hemp hearts, and some sauerkraut. And there's just so much food going on here. This is a great thing. So, and there's just so much. It's just crazy. So, anything you want to say? No, there's nothing I want to say. I just want to thank everybody for this award. Okay. Alrighty. Even my daughter likes it, so that's good. People ask me about getting children to eat healthy. That's what my daughter's gonna eat. Alright, thank you, Chef Laura. Everybody, keep eating healthy, start eating healthy, have a great day and a great world life. Check this out. This is just amazing. This is just amazing. This is a great substitute for rice. I usually use cauliflower for rice, but Chef Flora used parsnip. And those are like those white looking carrots you see in the store that a lot of people don't know about, but it tastes so great. And yeah, and this is dehydrated, this spicy broccoli. It doesn't have to be, but it is. And if children don't like broccoli plain, they'll certainly like it like this. And these things are so sweet. This is food to live for. Thank you, Chef Laura.
You're very welcome.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.